Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about turning on or off notes notifications on your Instagram account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Instagram and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to launch your Instagram profile page here. Select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. And then you want to go underneath where it says how you use Instagram and select notifications and select posts, stories, and comments. And then scroll pretty far down near the bottom where it says notes. You can turn it on or off depending on your preference. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.